The wife's gardening efforts, early April 2025. That's a big cabbage, and here we go around the place. Maureen, what is this one?
It's a dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. And here's where the big cabbage came from. Right there. Here's the next one.
That's my garden frog.
Maureen's guardian frog.
Garden frog.
Guardian of the garden.
Hello,
Bananas, they're a big deal when they come in.
I gotta get my phone.
Avocado trees.
You saw the sign?
Mango carry. Joey avocado. Peach is not showing fruiting yet or leafing yet, but I won't be surprised in a couple of months. There's something up there. I don't know what kind of fruit that is, but let's see. This says peach. Apple. This is a mulberry, which gets attacked by birds, so it's netted. Very, very fertile. What does this one say? Orange. Lime. Fig. Dwarf Namuat banana. And this collection of plant life here. I wish I could tell you what all of it is, but it's over my head. What's under this net, Maureen? Blueberries, and you can see they're really happening. Pineapple, and that's that.